So today I want to talk very basically about what neural nets actually do. I'm standing in front of a water feature. We'll talk about features somewhere else in one of the other videos. But and when you look at a water feature like this, there's a couple things you can notice. The first is that we could determine by looking at it that it is a water feature, and you can see the water going down in the background. The other thing we could think about, if you're more metrically inclined, if you wanted to do that, was to think about how much water is flowing through this water feature. And in fact, when we look at water features in nature, such as waterfalls and so forth, rivers, we do talk about how many gallons per minute is going over the waterfall or through the river, that sort of thing, or cubic feet or cubic yards or that sort of thing. So we always have some metric. Now, in neural networks, they basically can do two things. The first thing they can do is regression. We're familiar with what regression is, but in regression with a neural net, we're trying to predict a particular number. We'll look at that several times, and we'll do neural nets that that explicitly predict some number. The other thing they do is classify. It's probably more common, but they'll take a look at a picture and determine what it is, and we'll look at that too. We will, in the course of our modules, develop neural nets that can tell a cat from a dog and from a pig and that sort of thing. And so they classify objects so that they can do one of two things. They can either do regression or classify. In the end, we'll see some hybrids of that, but those are the two basic things that we have to, that a neural net can do and that we have to pay attention to when we're developing a neural network.